everyone, good evening. And so Darcii, being cute so far. Hi. You alright? Hey, what are you doing? Being silly. You're happy to be in now, are you? Yeah. What's that outside? Is that another cat? What are you doing? Alright. Okay. Hey, soft on thing. So yeah, she's back and she's back to her old self, aren't you? Yes. And good girl. And one more time, ready? Just good girl. Yes, you clever cat. Hey. Who do I love? Huh? Darcii, who do I love? Silly old sausage. You're so silly, so nice. You soft old thing. Yeah, you soft old thing. So yeah, sorry, I haven't really done much talking, but yeah, she's back to normal self. The weirdest few weeks ever. Where if you haven't seen any of the other videos, she just didn't want to come in. But so yeah, we did put the Darcii and Ebbie was sort of fighting a little bit, but again that seems to have resolved as well. They seem to be back to their normal selves and normality is resumed, which is great, isn't it? Hey, yeah. So yeah, it was just a quick update, really, guys. So yeah, good night from you. Say hello. Yeah. What's this? She's all sleepy. All right. Thanks, guys. If you're going to bed like me, have a lovely night's sleep. If you're just waking up, have a beautiful day. Cheers. Take care, everyone. Bye.